And welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Well, I have put up quite a few Christmas sweet recipes on Akshata's Recipes, and I will be putting up quite a few more too. But now I'm going to start my series of lunch, dinner, starter and dessert ideas for your Christmas lunch or Christmas dinner, or even New Year's lunch or dinner, or just any family gathering during the holidays. So I hope you like all these recipes that I'm putting up, and I hope you give them a try, and do let me know in the comments box what you thought of the recipe. Without much further ado, let's just start with today's recipe. So here I've just soaked some red chilies, washed them, cut off the tips, and again soaked them in some water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now all the other ingredients that we need are as follows. We require about 1 inch of ginger, which I've just chopped up into smaller pieces, 15 cloves of garlic, 15 peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, about 6 cloves or lavang, 1 inch of cinnamon or dalchini, half a teaspoon of rye or mustard seeds or mori, half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, about 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and some salt to taste. And these are the soaked red chilies. So now we're going to grind all of these ingredients in our mixer. We're not going to add any water at all. And we are going to grind it to a very fine paste. You can transfer the paste to a bowl and reserve the water for using later. Now we're just going to put this paste onto 400 grams of meat. Now I am using chicken. You can use mutton or you can use pork, and you can keep this aside for 12 hours. It has to be marinated for at least 12 hours. Now after 12 hours, we're going to heat about 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and I'm going to fry 4 medium-sized onions till they're nice and golden brown in color. Now I'm going to add the marinated meat along with all of this lovely masala. We're going to fry this extremely well. I'm just going to add 1 slit light green chili, and now I'm going to add the reserve water that we had set aside yesterday or 12 hours before, and we're going to mix everything together. Now you can give this a little taste just to see if you want to adjust the salt or the vinegar, and then I'm going to add about 1.5 cup of hot water, and then we're going to let this simmer for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and there our vindaloo is all ready. I like to have it with some soft pão or some Goan rice. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Do let me know in the comments box below what you thought of today's recipe, and if you liked it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I need those thumbs up on my channel, so don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. I need more subscribers on my channel too. And once you have subscribed, it will ask you to click a bell, so do click that bell. That way whenever I put up a video on my channel, you get a message for the same, so you won't miss out anything on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for much more to come on Akshata's Recipes. I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. Bye!